Hi, so in this video, we went to two Ford dealerships and we saw two Ford Mustang GTDs also being delivered at the same time we were there, which is very cool. And we saw the first Spirit of America GTD delivered, which was very cool.
Very cool. And also to add on to that, we also saw one of the higher ups in Ford explaining how all the details and how the Ford GTD works, which is very cool. So that's why this video is so long. It's probably our longest video we've done, and hopefully we can make more videos like this. So hopefully you guys can keep getting clicking that subscribe button and getting more viewers. So enjoy the video, and thanks for clicking and watching.
Thank you.
Is that actually?
That's the story, yeah.
Nuts.
And they're a different shape as well. So that option, from a driver's perspective, I love that option. The paddle is actually a little bit bigger.